Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw St. Patrick in honor of St. Patrick's Day. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our drawing of St. Patrick, let's begin with the top of the head. So let's just begin by making a line that's just going to kind of curve up and down a little bit. Now, right inside of here, I'm going to draw the nose. So I'm just going to make a little kind of oval shape for the nose. Then right here, I'm going to draw a line that just kind of curves down on each side to start the mustache. I'm going to bring this line up, and then I'm just going to bring this line up. Next, right here, I'm just going to make a little line for the mouth to make like a little smile. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down and a line that comes down. Then, starting here, I'm going to make a few zigzag lines that are just going to come down here for the beard. And I'll do the same thing here. Just make a few zigzag lines that just kind of come down for the beard. Starting here, I'm going to draw a circle for the eye, and then I'll make another circle for the eye over here. Then I'll go ahead and put a little dot inside each one for the pupils. Next, let's make a little eyebrow shape right above each eye. Next, starting here for the hat, let's draw a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and then down. Then starting here, let's curve a line that's going to come up. And then we'll do that same thing over here. Just kind of curve it up and meet at a point. Next, let's go ahead and draw two lines that come down. Now, let's draw a line that's going to come out here and a line that's going to come out here. Then I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to come down and up in a smiley face shape. I'm going to draw another line, and I'm going to stop right about there. Leave a little space, and then I'm going to bring this up here. Then I'm going to bring two lines up just for a little detail. Next, right here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out. We'll make a small oval for his thumb. And then we're going to make a larger oval for his hand. Over here, I'm going to draw the line out. We're going to make a little bump for his thumb and then a big curve shape for his hand that's going to come back. We'll draw a little line down here. And then right here, I'm going to draw his staff. So I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and down like a skinny rectangle. Then I'm going to come down. I'm going to go over and up here. I'm going to draw a little line here. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve around. And then we're just going to bring this back, almost kind of like a question mark shape. Then I'm going to make a little line down here. Next, let's bring this line back for the arm, and we'll come down here. Next, starting here, let's draw a line that's going to come down. We're going to go over and then up. And then right here for the feet, let's draw two sad faces. We'll connect them across. Then we're going to make another line. It's going to go down and over, down and over. And then we're going to connect it here. Then finally right here, we're going to make a little clover. So let's make a little bump like this. We'll make another little bump here and one more right here to connect. Then we're just going to draw this line down in his hand and make a couple little lines here. And there you go. There is your drawing of St. Patrick. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.